and and this process is for finding the highest overall grade. And the next is the if else, and and this process and this process to f- and this process to find the lowest grades. And then if x is equal to 1, and this process can define who are the best in every subject. And then iterate i- iterate iterates the iterates for the next data. And so it will be the output if what the user choice. And double compute grade, this method this method is to compute the grade, and this method is to compute the overall grades. So we've done in freshman applicant the subclass. So we go to the main class. Main. So we instantiate the subclass freshman applicant. So the number ID number is it started in 100, and these are equals to 0. And this is the choices to be picked by the user. And then this uh the user will input the number of choice he made and switch answer. This is the output if if he if uh, if he chose the one he chose the one, add new freshman applicant. So this is will be the output. So he will be the input first the math total score, English total score, science total score, math percent, English percent, science percent. So the program will ask the user how many applicant that he will be inputted, that he will be add. And then uh, and then this is the output. Get the name, high school, math score, English score, science score, and the ID number, and break. So if case 2, if the user choose if the user choose to delete freshman applicant, so this is will be the output instance shade the display list applicant from subclass. And output, input the number of freshman applicant you wish to remove and delete at position, and instant delete at position remove, so it will be deleted. So if case number 3, display applicant info, alright, display all applicant records, so it will be instantiate the display applicant info. And case number 4, display the highest grade. Instantiate the display highest grade. And 5, display the lowest grade. Instantiate the best in. F6, the what's 6? Display freshman that excellent in math. 7 is the excellent in English, science. This is the English, math, and science. Default system that it will output invalid choice if your choice is out of the list and do while loop. Do you want to continue? If yes, it will back to the choices. So we try to run this program. So press 1 if you want to add a new freshman applicant. Press 1 and enter a total score. Enter the total score 50, 50, and 50, and the percent, just like the USTSP percent, 70%. How many applicants? I would like to click 3, enter, and example my name, high school, CNHS, math score. So the total of maths total score is 50, so it will be just for example 30, 35, and 32. So the program will ask the applicant number 2 because I inputted here the 3 applicant. So click and marks, just for example marks, and its total score is 40, 42, and 32, and the last is high school. Okay. Is math scores 40, 23, and 41. And the program will ask, do you want to continue? I enter yes, and it will display the choices. And if I want to add a new freshman applicant, so how many applicant? 1, applicant 4 because applicant 3, because we ended at applicant 3. Example, okay, type high school Xavier 20, 32, 46, and 33, and yes. And so I will choose display of 3. So these are the applicants that I inputted, overall grade, and I want to know who is the highest grades. Who is the highest grade? 4. The toughest freshman is the Sylvanus Banhao. So Sylvanus Banhao, 5.46. Oh yes, 5.46. If they want to continue, if yes,